iOS 18 bring a bunch of new features, but one of my favorite is I am able to lock app or hide app from my home screen. Let's say I'm gonna lock Facebook. All I have to do is just hold on Facebook, and then you're gonna see the option called require Face ID. So I can just click on this one, and then you have two options. The first one, you only lock the app, but the second one, you lock and hide the app. Let me show you the first one first. So let me click on this one, and now scan with my Face ID. It is locked. So every time I open Facebook now, it will require me to scan my face in order to use it. So let me show you one more time. Now look at my phone, I am able to use it. Second method, you can hide or lock the app by click on the second option here, and then you will see this prompt and click on hide app, and then Facebook will be hide. Now to find it, just swipe all the way to the left, and you need to go to app library and then scroll all the way down. You're gonna find one folder called hidden. When I want to unhide Facebook, just click on it, confirm with my face, and now Facebook is visible and I can open it just like that. If you want to bring Facebook back to home screen, just click on hidden folder and then just hold on it, and then click on add to home screen, click on unhide app. Now it will be back to your home screen. It is as simple as that. So let me swipe back here. You can see Facebook is back on home screen. That's it. It is very simple. Thanks for watching. Then I will see you guys in the next one.